I am on my third hand-me-down table saw. This one again is from my dad. Thanks, Dad. But this one is brand new out of the box. So this is the Kobalt job site saw from Lowe's, and I'm pretty excited about it. It is by far the best fence and alignment. I really like this mechanism for the sliding fence. I've got everything dialed in now. I just adjusted the measurements, and I'm about to rip a whole bunch of these boards to get ready for some cutting boards. I like the storage for the fence and the miter gauge on the side. Take off the fence. It stores right here on the side. And it's a nice little slot out of the way. Now, for the blade guard on this side, the raising, lowering is super simple. I like the safety. I did take off, or I should say I did not install the big job site wheeled cart because it was too big for my tiny shop. And I retrofitted it to this little, I think this was a really old job site, a dewalt job site table saw stand. So I just drilled a few new holes. It's rock solid on there now, and then it fits in my shop. So perfect, about to do my first job with a bunch of ripping on this.